Okay, here we are, Embassy Suites by Hilton, West Palm Beach Central. We're going to do a room tour here of this hotel. It's very close to Palm Beach International Airport, only about 3 or 4 minutes drive. And here we are, room 908. So this is a king bed corner suite or corner room. Bigger than a typical king room because it's in the corner. You can see there's lots of space here. And as you can tell, this was recently renovated, so this room is looking really good. Lots of natural light out the windows. And then as you come into the master bedroom here, you see the king bed, the HD TV. Everything's super clean, very nice. And we were really happy with our stay here. This is kind of like a little kitchen area where they've got like a fridge and a sink and a microwave connected to one of the rooms for the bathroom with the toilet, the sink, and the tub. And then another room here with a sink and a bit of a makeup area, which connects to the master bedroom. So well laid out, very spacious, and boy, we highly recommend this if you're in your travels here in West Palm Beach. Downstairs in the atrium, this is where they have their evening social. It's like a wine and cheese every night at about 5 o'clock. And in the morning, of course, this becomes the area where they have their buffet breakfast. And it's typical of Embassy Suite hotels. Big selection for breakfast, hot and cold items, lots of room to sit, move around, unlike some other hotel chains. So very nicely done. And they've got an outdoor pool here. We didn't use it, but this is shot from our room window. You can see it there. So I hope you enjoyed this tour of the Hilton West Palm Beach Central.